Okay guys, I keep another inverter in the front here, and this is not a pure sine wave inverter, but it is a modified sine wave inverter. And if you can't afford a modified, or excuse me, if you can't afford a pure sine wave inverter and you need to charge your computer, this is the next best thing. Because sometimes inverters can ruin certain systems, fans, computers, and if you need to charge your computer, let's say, on a modified wave inverter, what you can do is leave your computer off and charge it while it's off. That's a safer way to do it, and that goes for both just the regular inverter and the modified inverter. So just a little piece of information for you guys out there. Just charge your computer with it off. That's a safer way of doing it. And then it's the same thing with the modified wave inverter. And I'm going to put it back where I had it. For the Honda Odyssey, this is where I had it. So I'm going to put it right back where I had it. So let me put it right back in. And I can do this two ways. I either plug it in to the front so I can run it off, you know, when I'm driving, or I have a Noco connector, and I have a smaller 35 amp hour battery in the front here. So I did have it grounded, so I'm going to re-ground it. So let me do that real quick now here. Hello. Hello. Okay, let's see. You should always ground your. I dropped it. Oh, there it is. You should always ground it. So mine's grounded. Both of them are grounded. Put my ground wire. It's already been connected, but I took it off to do this video. Let me get my screwdriver to tighten it up. There we go. Tighten my ground wire. This, and then that's already grounded. Run it underneath my